Good morning, grade twos.
Morning.
Why are you speaking so low? Good morning, grade twos.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you this morning?
We are blessed of the Lord and highly favored.
Good. I can see that you are blessed and highly favored. There is Makosi. He's joining us. Hello, Makosi.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, Makosaeza?
I'm fine.
Okay, today we are going to have a lesson on ICT, okay? Let's all say ICT.
Yes. ICT.
ICT. Today we are going to talk about computer hardware, the things that you can touch around the computer. Is there anyone who knows a computer here? Can I see those who know a computer? Anyone who knows a computer can see Lutando, Makosaeza knows a computer, Palesa, Kiara, yes, Liam, do you know a computer? Good. Can you tell me any part of the computer that you know, that you can touch? The ones that you can
Mouse.
put your hands up. Yes, Makosi?
Mouse.
A mouse. Which mouse is it? That mouse that goes squeaky, squeaky? Yes, you know the mouse of a computer. Thank you, Makosi. Another one that you can touch. I want the ones that you can touch. Yes, Palesa?
Screen.
A screen. Good. I can see you on the screen. Good. Anything else from the computer that you can touch? Makosi?
Keyboard.
The keyboard, yes. A keyboard. I have a keyboard. Today we are going to talk about the keyboard. There is the keyboard. Thank you. Good. Anything else that you can touch from the computer? Yes, Lutando? Lutando? Stelo, is your hand up? I can't see Stelo, but I know she can hear me. Stelo? Oh, everyone is frozen now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Today, I want us to talk about the keyboard. Let's all say keyboard.
Keyboard.
A keyboard. Yes. Yes, good. Let me show you a keyboard. Here it is. Can you all see a keyboard? Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Can you see the keyboard? What can you tell me about the keyboard? What does a keyboard have? What does a keyboard have? Can you look at my keyboard there?
Yes.
My keyboard. What does a keyboard have? Put your hands up. What does a keyboard have? Let's talk about the keyboard. Let's talk about this keyboard. You said you can touch it. What does it have? Yes, Liam. Your hand was up, Liam.
Numbers.
It has numbers. Good. It has numbers. Can you see here by the corner there? There are numbers. Which number can you see on the keyboard there? Which numbers can you see on the keyboard? There, Liam is correct. It has numbers.
Why?
Which number can you see on the keyboard?
Wow.
There is one. Yes, another number. Another number that you can see from the keyboard. People are now frozen. Some people are smiling forever.
4.
A 4, yes. Good, Makosi. There is a 4. Kiara, your hand is up. Which other number?
5.
A
5. 2.
If Mrs. Mlotshwa says write a 5 using the computer, you just punch a 5 and you see it appearing on the screen, okay? So this keyboard, we use it to type, okay?
Yes.
Pencils, we use our hands to write on the book, right? But when you are using a computer, this is your pen, Okay, the keyboard is your pen.
Yes.
You use it to write. If I say write a 1, you just punch the 1. Then you just go 1. If I say write a 2, 2. A 3, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you want to write a 10, how do you write a 10? Who can tell me? Because there is no 10 here. How will you write the 10? Yes, Kiara?
1 and 0.
1 and 0. You just punch a 1 and then a 0. You write your 10. Thank you. Let's go. What else does a keyboard have? We said it has numbers. These are the numbers. What else does a keyboard have? Remember, we said our keyboard is our pencil. This is your pencil. When you are writing in ICT, you will use this nice pencil. Yes, is it Kiara? Kiara, what else does a keyboard have?
Alphabets.
It has the alphabet. The alphabet. Okay, the alphabet. All right. Let us sing the alphabet together. Let's go. Anyone who can give us a song about the alphabet? Because the keyboard has an alphabet. Yes, Kiara?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, K,
L, M, N, P. Let's go. Yes.
Q, R, S,
T,
Y, Z, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good. So the keyboard has the alphabet A, B, C, D up to Z. Good. What else does a keyboard have? What else does a keyboard have? There is can you see this button here? This long button, this one. Who knows what this long button is called? Who knows this button? What do you call this long button? Anyone who knows it? Anyone who knows the long button? Anyone who knows the long button? It is called the space button. Let's say space button.
Space button.
Yes, you know that when you are writing at school, right? You say Monday, you put a space, and then you write the date. That's how we do it. You say Monday, a space 11 January 2021, right? So this is the button that you use when you want to space, okay? If you want to write your name, you write Palesa, and then you want to write Kiara, you space, and then you write Kiara, okay? So this is our space button, this one, okay? This is our space button, okay?
Yes.
Together?
Yes.
Good. So this button is the space button. And then we also have a button called the caps lock. Let's say the caps lock.
The caps lock.
Caps lock. Together, caps lock.
Caps lock.
The caps lock, if you want to write a capital letter, how do you write your names? Who can tell me when you're writing your name, how do you write your name? The first letter, how do you write your first letter for your name? How do you write it? Yes, Palesa?
P.
A P. Is it a small P or it's a big P? What type of a P is it going to be? Yes, it's a capital letter P. Okay, a capital letter P. So you will use this caps lock to make your capital letter P. You press it and then you press your P. Your P will be a capital letter. Okay.
Yes.
Together?
Yes.
Yes. So the caps lock, we use it to make our capital letters. If you want to make your P a big P for Palesa, a capital letter M for Makosi, capital letter L for Lutando, capital letter K for Kiara. that is a capital letter L for Liam. Okay, so you will use the caps lock. Okay, it is called a caps lock. Okay, yes. And also, let's say you make a mistake. What are you going to do when you're using the keyboard? You write and then you make a mistake. When we make a mistake, what do we do in our books? If you write and you make a mistake, what do you do? Yes, Palesa?
We rub.
We rub. So if you make a mistake on the computer, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Yes, Kiara?
You delete.
You delete. Good. So we have the delete button, which is used to delete if you make a mistake. We know that you can make a mistake anytime. Okay, so you have to delete. Okay, so this is our keyboard. Nice keyboard. It has the alphabet. It also has the numbers. You can space with the space button. You can make your capital letter big with the caps lock, okay? And if you make a mistake, you can delete with backspace. You can delete, okay? All right, so I've got a few charts of mine here where I want us to read about the keyboard, okay? Number one says the keyboard is used to type. How many of us can type on the computer here? How many of us can type on the computer? Yes, I can see Palesa can type. What were you typing what do you usually type on the computer? Anyone, what have you written on the computer? At school, I know you have done ICT. What were you doing when you were typing? What were you typing? What did you type on the computer? Anyone? Yes, Lutando? Lutando typed his name. Anyone else, what did you type on the computer? Yes, Liam?
Numbers.
Liam typed some numbers. Good, Liam. Yes. So the computer, the keyboard, yes, Palesa?
I tap A, B, C, D.
Good, Palesa. Palesa typed the alphabet A, B, C, D, E up to Z. Good. So we said the keyboard is used to type. It has numbers. Yes, we said it has numbers. We saw the number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. And we said if you want to write a 20, you type a 2 and a 0. And then it has letters. Someone has already told us, Kiara, what are you putting in your mouth there? It has letters. It has a full stop. Have you ever seen a full stop on the computer? When you write a sentence, you must put a full stop at the end, and the computer is a full stop for you. The keyboard has a full stop for you to put at the end. It can make capital letters. I said, what is the button that we use to make capital letters? Anyone who still remembers it? What do we call that button that we use to make capital letters? What did I call it? What did I say it's called? Anyone wants to try? Anyone wants to try? K. Start with the K. And it's got a L. Anyone who knows it? Anyone who can remember it? It's called a K. Yes. Stelo, you want to try? A caps lock. Let's all say a caps lock.
A caps lock.
Yes. You know the cap that you put on your head? A cap. You know the cap?
Yes.
Yes. And you know the lock that your mother uses to lock the gate?
Yes.
Yes. So you say a cap lock. Caps lock. Let's say it together. Caps lock. Let's go. Caps
Caps lock.
good. Caps lock.
Caps
Then
lock.
good is called a caps lock. It helps us to make capital letters. It has a button for spacing letters. You remember my long button for spacing, that long one there. It's very long, this one. It's long. It's for spacing. Yes. It has a delete button. That is our keyboard. So now I want you to tell me, what did you learn about today in ICT? What were we talking about? Anything that you can remember about this lesson for today. Yes, Palesa?
Keyboard.
The keyboard. Good, Palesa. Anyone else? What did you learn about? What can you remember? Yes, Liam?
Mouse.
The mouse, we talked about the mouse. We said when we are talking about the computer, things that we can touch, we have a mouse for the computer. What else did you learn about the keyboard? What did we say a keyboard has? What does a keyboard have? You don't remember? My keyboard here, what does a keyboard have? Yes, Kiara.
Numbers and alphabets.
The keyboard has an alphabet. Good, Palesa. Kiara, what does a keyboard have?
It is numbers.
It has numbers. Good. Stelo, is that you? Oh, Stelo is going and coming back. It has numbers. What else does a keyboard have? Yes, Stelo? Stelo, can you hear me? Are you there, Stelo? Stelo's network is not good. Kiara there? Who are you talking to, Kiara? I can see you mumbling there. I want you to look straight here. So we say today we talked about the keyboard. We said a keyboard is a computer hardware. You can touch it, okay? Anything that you can touch on the computer is called a computer hardware. And we say the keyboard has the alphabet, it has numbers. We say it has a big button called the space button. It has a delete button or the backspace. If you make a mistake, you can delete. Yes, a keyboard is used to type. We use it to type information. If you want to put information, anything into the computer, you use the keyboard. If you want to put a number, you want to write your name, you want to write your school name, you want to draw, you will still need to use a keyboard. This keyboard is our guideline when we want to do our things, our numbers and our letters. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. So I'm going to send work to you that is related to the keyboard. Okay. Yes. So don't forget about the keyboard, okay? All right. So let's meet again later, okay? Let's make sure we meet again. We are meeting again at 11:30, okay? All right.
Yes.
So bye. Bye, Palesa. Bye, Kiara. Bye, Lutando. Bye, Stelo. See you again.
Bye, Palesa.
Bye.
Bye, Tiara.
Bye.